welcome back to our channel. I am your Abhinav.
I am your Atul.
Let's move on to our video. Today I am going to introduce Samsung Smart Oven. Let's see its review. Let's switch on the oven. The oven is now on. This button is having 4 functions: off, on, after while a function is running, to stop in middle, or reset a function. Or reset a function. If you will press 2 times the button, the function will be reset. After these 2 buttons, let's move on to these 2 buttons. These 2 buttons is used to increase temperature or change recipes. These 4 buttons are manual functions: convection, grill, microwave, and combination. There are some functions on the top. Let's read it. The first function is Indian Slim Fry. First is Samosa Pockets. Let's try. So we select Slim Fry. So here the function is first one, so it is 1, and the second function is Samosa Pocket, so it's first function. So we'll first select, then there is 1-1. So what recipe we need, we should set by pressing this both buttons. If you press, it will increase the number. If you press this button, it will decrease. Second one is Slim Fry, that is potatoes and vegetables. So first we should press the option Slim Fry, and we should press this button, so it will go to second option, and press select, and next one will come. Which recipe do you need? You can these all are the same as you will do, you can understand it. So next one we'll go to curd and dough proof. So in winter season the curd will form very lately, so you can just keep a bowl with curd. You should only keep glass bowl or clay pots. So we should press back, and we should press the option, and this we are using which bowl you should select it, and select OK, and close the door and press start. It will take 35 minutes to start. In glass bowls you can take only borosilicate bowls. You should not take metal or plastic. To make a cake, first you have to preheat it. So close the door, press convection mode, keep degrees. I prefer 180 degrees. Press select, then make how many minutes you do want. Preheat for 10 minutes. Then press start. It will preheat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you should place your batter. There will be a sound beep, and you can place your batter. The power defrost. If you have kept in freezer for a long time, to make it cold, you can keep that meat or fish in this and select that power defrost, and that we should check the recipe. If you have kept meat, select your meat and close it. After placing the meat, there will be foul smell inside. So to remove it, we should do first step. Pour a little bit of water in a borosilicate glass bowl. Pour a little bit of vinegar. Squeeze a half lemon. Place the bowl inside and close the door and set it for 1 minute. After the heat, you have to remove the glass bowl. Take a help of an adult. There will be water vapor, so we will clean it with a cloth. While frying chicken, fish, etc., the masala will fall on this coating. We should not worry about it because this is having a ceramic coating which have 10 years warranty. This is a tray which is used for making roti, naan and biscuits. There is a function for it. There are two trays. One, you can place it up on the turning table and other down. Remove this rubber because when the microwave is heating, it can be melted and it will cause many more diseases. This is a tikka stand in which we have 6 spokes and one for barbecue. Let's off the oven. If you want to buy this oven, I will give the link in description. You can purchase it.